All right, guys, we are back with another episode of Going Vegan with Rachid. I am your host, Rachid Kareem Shatti. We are here today at Au Lac in downtown Los Angeles. This is a popular vegan spot, and today I'm gonna try out some salt and pepper vegan shrimp. We've done vegan burgers, we've done vegan chicken. Let's see how vegan seafood tastes. Let's go check it out. Just secured the bag. Let's see how this tastes. All right, guys, we got our salt and pepper vegan shrimp right here. This is an Au Lac favorite. Love the presentation. It looks just like shrimp, served on this nice bed of purple cabbage. And we got a little bit of parsley, green and purple, with the shrimp. It's a beautiful looking dish, but does it taste good? Let's see. This right here, this vegan salt and pepper shrimp is pretty good. Texture's great, kind of a crispy, crunchy outside layer. I like that. The inside is kind of rubbery, chewy, just like real shrimp. So texture-wise, it feels like shrimp. Tastes like fish, tastes like shrimp. You've got that salty seafood kind of flavor that the shrimp brings. You've got the nice salt pepper seasoning on the outside that brings some nice flavor. The shrimp itself is composed of konjac root, sweet potato, yams, and a soy protein to bind it all. Although the texture is impressive, the shrimp itself isn't packed with a whole lot of flavor. It's a little bland, I have to be honest. Maybe if I had some sort of a sauce to dip it in, kind of a cocktail sauce to go with it, maybe that would provide the zing I need. I'm not going nuts over it. Overall, solid. All right, guys, that wraps up another episode of Going Vegan with Rachid. I appreciate you all watching. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment, and tune in again next week for another episode. Thanks again.